features that you might find interesting to try out is the photo wall. And what this is when individuals come into the shelter the first time, we always try to get a photo of them. And we can do it with a camera. If you have an eyeball camera set up on the computer, iPads work very well. And after the photo has been taken, and I'll tell you how to do that in a later video, they get entered into the photo wall. And up here on the top menu, if you click on the photo wall, it takes you to the collection of photos that we've taken for those individuals that have checked in for the night. So tonight, so far, we have, looks like 8 individuals. Yesterday, looks like we had about 13. And as you can see, some of them are repeats. So Marge was in last night, and she shows up again tonight. Some of them that haven't checked in yet, so Mary Burke, yep, she's checked in, but it doesn't look like Jack Daniels down here has checked in yet. Where we find this very useful is that it starts helping the desk staff in particular start associating a name with a face, and it makes it a much more personal interaction when you can greet somebody by their first name as they come in the door. So right now I'd like you to notice, okay, we have 8 people that are in on today's photo wall. Let's go back to the status page. And as we showed you in the last video, let's just check in a couple of people that have been in last night. So we'll put Jack Daniels in, and Charlie Miller, and how about John Doe. We'll come up here, hit Return Client Check-in, come back up here to the photo wall, click on that again, and you'll notice that we've gone from 8 to 11 photos, and so it looks like we got Fred the Wonder Dog and Charlie Miller and I guess Jack Daniels or whoever it was that checked in. The other thing to notice is that those individuals that we don't have photos for just have this black silhouette. And the reason for doing that is to help the desk people be easily aware of who doesn't have a photo in the system. And so if you miss somebody on the first night, if you know that you don't have a photo on them, when they come through the next night, you just ask them if it's okay, take a quick photo, and you're done. Anyway, that's it.